Hey girl, I know you've been having a lot of, I guess you're still having some tummy issues right now, huh? Yeah, I brought you this gut health bundle that I saw on TikTok shop. I love the Snap brand, and it's 100% organic. It has all the stuff in it to help you, like you can see turmeric, aloe, some probiotics, antioxidant greens. Like this is a great combo.
And it supports bloating. That's super cool.
You need that.
That's definitely what I need.
Yeah.
Well, where did you get it?
I got it from the TikTok shop, and it's over 50% off right now. So when I saw it on sale, I had to grab it. You're going to want to stock up. I'll drop the link below for you.
Well, sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.